Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw credits in CapCut Pro for US creators. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw credits in CapCut Pro as a US creator, begin by launching the CapCut Pro app on your device. Log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to the main dashboard, where you can see your projects and available resources. Locate the Wallet or Credits section within the Apps menu. Tap on this section to view your current credit balance. Check the amount of credits available for withdrawal. Next, look for the Withdraw button or option in the Credits section. Tap on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to select a withdrawal method, such as PayPal or bank transfer. Choose your preferred method and enter any required payment details. Ensure that all information entered is accurate and complete. Review the terms and conditions associated with withdrawals. After confirming that everything is correct, submit your withdrawal request. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. Wait for an email or notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Typically, withdrawals may take a few business days to process. Check your chosen payment method to confirm when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help Center within the app for support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.